Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today our topic is types of networking. This is also important topic for your exam perspective. If you are from BCA, BTech, data science or any such courses, either BBA or MCA. So this topic will be helpful for you. Okay, and also this topic will give you a general idea about the networking. If you have not subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Let's begin with the topic. As we have discussed in the last video of computer networking, you can go and watch that video that is based on the fundamental ideas, basic concept of data communication and networking. So this is the second session based on the computer networking. First type of networking is PAN. Second one we called LAN. Third one we called MAN, and the fourth one we called WAN. So what are the difference between why we call it? So if you have no idea about computer networking, if you don't know anything, don't have to be worried about. In my channels, you will find each and every types of videos from the scratch. From the very beginning, you will try to understand. Once you watch my videos, you will be able to grab the concept. Okay. First one is PAN, Personal Area Network. As we have seen in our daily life that we are connected with the systems. Like we have seen like smartwatches, that is also a kind of PAN, Personal Area Network. When you connect anything with the help of Bluetooth, with the help of hotspot, with the help of any other wireless, there is no concept of wire. If you are connecting any devices, laptop or mobile phone with the help of Bluetooth or hotspot, any other medium, fine, this concept will remain as PAN, Personal Area Network. Connecting multiple devices, connecting multiple devices within the small range, within the limited range, like 5 meter, 10 meter of range, that is acceptable in personal area network. So that we require. This doesn't require any Wi-Fi. This doesn't require any wire. Okay, this is only applicable for your laptop to connect. Like wireless mouse, we can connect it to the laptop. Wireless keyboard, we can connect it to the laptop. Wireless earbud, we can connect to the mobile phones or any such other gadget. Even CGM, okay, continuous glucose monitoring systems or smartwatches or multiple devices, IoT devices, we can consider it as a personal we can consider it as PAN based, personal area network. Some of the devices, not all, which can have some limitations of range. Fine. And next one we have LAN. So if we have limited range, then we are moving towards one level up. One level up means what? Some ranges is extended. Like we have seen in our offices or campuses, there is multiple libraries, laboratory, okay, computer labs we have. Another buildings have offices, okay, account sections, admin sections, exam sections. So many other buildings have different offices. So how the offices are communicating with each other, how the systems are connected. So based on LAN, that we call local area network. Fine. So this is applicable for a rooms, for a offices inside the campus. Okay, it is specifically a room where we connect multiple devices. Okay, it could be any types of offices like admin office, like lab, we can consider it computer lab, multiple machines you can see. So all machines are connected. If you want to communicate within that range inside that computer lab, you can have this type of networking, LAN, local area network. So if you want to communicate beyond that, so you have to create multiple LAN and you need to communicate via switches. Okay, via switches, and there is an involvement of routers. So that is the another concept. So LAN is specifically have for a room, offices, okay, multiple lab. So that consists of multiple numbers of devices. They can be connected with the help of cables, with the help of wires. What could be the wires? We have three types of wires. First one, twisted pair cable. Another one is coaxial cable, and the third one, fiber optics. These are the three category of wire we have. Through these three wires, we can connect the devices. We can connect printer also. We can connect a scanner also. We can connect laptop or any other projector. So many devices can be a example of LAN, local area network. There is no such concept of Bluetooth, infrared, Fine, have understood the concept of the difference between the PAN and LAN. Now, that was a limited one. Inside the campus, we have 4 offices. So all 4 offices have 4 LAN. So these 4 LAN need to be communicate. Okay. So multiple LANs we have created. Now we have considered MAN. MAN means Metropolitan Area Network. MAN represent Metropolitan Area Network. I'm giving you one example. Let's have example. One bank branches have in one city, multiple branches of a bank in one city we have. So that city or district may consider as a MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. So means a city which has multiple number of branches of the same bank, like SBI have multiple branches. So that means what? We can communicate with the SBI multiple branches inside that city. That means that is restricted with certain range, metropolitan area network. It is specifically for a city, for a larger campus, for a district, for any government officials buildings. Fine, they can communicate with each other within the specific range, that we call it metropolitan area network. Like we have in metropolitan area network, one of the example, ISP, internet service provider. I can give you example. Internet service provider are those person or the providers of services who can give you the Wi-Fi connections. So like we have we have connections of geofiber. So geofiber is working, is active in your area, in your range, but it is not applicable for certain other ranges. So that means metropolitan area network, it is applicable, geofiber is applicable for a specific range, but it is not applicable for beyond that region, beyond that range. Fine, means I'm giving you example, one district, district 1, district 2. District 1 can have the services of geofiber, district 2 cannot have that geofiber due to some ranges, due to some reasons. Okay, so this is the concept of metropolitan area network. Inside the campus, we can also have examples. If you want to communicate with the bank branch, a university want to communicate with their bank branch, they can communicate with the help of metropolitan area network. Another one here is also the cables required, and also the Wi-Fi concept is required. That means fiber optics, coaxial cables, twisted pair. Next one we have WAN, WAN, wider area network. Wide area network means what? That means that previous one restricted to a city district. This time we have a broader areas. Okay, larger areas, geographical areas we can say. So larger geographical areas can be accessible. That we call internet worldwide technology, www. So we can say anywhere we can communicate beyond the country. Okay, so many country can be communicate with each others with the help of wide area network. So here the concept of Wi-Fi we have. Okay, we have 5G, 6G or any other communication we can be, there can be possibility. Okay, so these are the things WAN. So why we require such technology? As per our requirement. Okay, if you want to connect the devices with the help of Bluetooth, then that kind of connection will be called as a PAN, personal area network. No other devices can be connected. Okay, with the Bluetooth, there is some specific 4 or 5 devices within certain range that we call PAN. LAN means we have 10, 12 or 100 different numbers of desktop or laptop in our college lab, computer lab. So those 100 devices can be communicate with each other with the help of cables that we call LAN, local area network. Once we have the other types of device like switches, hub, we will have a different session regarding the network devices. Okay, so with the help of hub, switches or router, we can have this kind of networking, MAN, metropolitan area network. Okay, within the city you can communicate. How the impact happened? You can see any clash happened somewhere or anything's happened. So that means network services goes down by the government official because of certain reason. So they can active or they can deactivate the services, internet services for a certain region. That means they have the complete effect you may see in metropolitan area network. Other part of the regions will be active, but due to some reasons, due to some security reasons, the government official do what? They shut down the internet connections for a particular region that we call metropolitan area network. For a certain district, for a certain region, they can have this kind of accessibility. Okay, only these accessibility is responsible by the government only, government officials. WAN, wide array network, we have already discussed. So this is all about the types of networking. Okay, so for your exam perspective, you can have such kind of questions, 2 marks or 5 marks, that will be considering types of networking. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, you can drop your comments in the comment box, so I can give you a reply and try to make some videos as per your requirement. Hope you have understood. We'll see in the next videos, that will be based on networking devices. What are the different types of devices we have? What are the importance of those devices? Hope all of you have understood. Thank you.